Yeah, go on.
Oh, it's all happening. Oh my god.
There's a lot of hair. Right?
Yeah. Ow!
Oh,
He's just
silly.
pulling it a bit.
No, you can't. Not.
Going online.
I'm liking it, just like this.
Yeah, it's looking good.
That is crazy.
Hold them up like a trophy.
Oh, do you know what? It really does feel lighter. I think it's because I always have it in a flat, and that's quite heavy. Yeah.
Oh my god, Janine. That's the short end.
Yeah, fun then.
You're going skinny?
Yeah.
Yeah, go for it.
I've never used these on anyone else. That feels weird. I've only ever used them on myself.
Oh my god, you're going to need a pair of Doc Martens.
It's like what they used to do to the kids at Borstal and stuff, isn't it?
I don't know why that's quite liberating.
Yeah. Put it underwater now, and then I need to look for any stragglers, because there are some. But I think you need to soak it and dry it, and then towel dry it, and then I can have another look at it. But basically, you're shade. That's fine, to be honest.